See that hairdo don't play, boy. Alright, y'all ready for this? Let's go. That's what I'm gonna give you right here. They be sleeping on this shit right here. Got those blow-off valves from Z1. Let's go see what's inside the box. That's what you guys want to see right here. I know that. Let me get this open. Hey, y'all see those trophies on the desk? Don't fuck around with me now. See what's going on. Get out the light for you guys too. There it is. Right there, HKS. I don't know about that right there. You guys don't let them know, bro. Don't let them know in the comments. Alright, looks like we got some hoses. Some hose clamps. That's the magic right there. Got a couple boxes in there. Now we got the silicone. I don't know what that is. Got that. And we got the silicone hoses right there. So I'll crack one of these open. Hold up. I know y'all anxious right now. Hold on now. So what's up in the box? Got the hydration right there. Don't ask me why there's a lighter right there either though. Let me get one of these open real quick, hold up. Go get my knife. This is what they sleeping on right here. That's what they don't want to play about. Don't have my shit sounding like a fucking Fast and the Furious car. Alright. There it is right there. You gotta drop comments. Drop all the comments. We'll be throwing these in soon, so. Make sure you guys tune in. HKS blow-off valves. Gotta fuck with this camera a little more, bro. My bad. We ducked off over here. We are here. Just chilling, bro. I'm just fucking chilling in the corner of my room, bro. We're just getting this shit right here. We grinding. Make sure you guys run up this video. I'll go run this one up. Just gonna turn it up right here. I'm gonna go take a drink for this one right here. Hey, viewers that are new, make sure you guys fucking lock in. Hit up that subscribe button. You guys don't know what's about to hop on right there with the videos. motherfuckers still in there? Who's still up in the video, bro? Who's still running up the views on this one, bro? Watch time. It better be all y'all that clicked on the video at the start, bro. No one better be tapping out, not on my channel. Not on my shit, bro. You guys better fucking tighten up. Hold up. Oh shit. Hold on now. And make sure you guys aren't fucking throwing nothing away, bro. Make sure you guys keep. Don't throw nothing away, bro. Look through that whole box. You guys got these little things right there, too. Check it out. There's everything laid out right here. There's everything laid out. Make sure you guys don't forget anything. I have 2 packages right there. Some zip ties and little adapters. And the insert. You got your hose clamps. Some hosing right there. You got the blow-off valves. Silicone tubes. So 2 packs of that right there. Silicone hoses. Got that. And the fucking unit right there. Make sure you guys go subscribe to my shit. Go throw some comments down. I'll see you guys in the next video. We're gonna hop right off onto the PS5. Yeah, that's our PS5, dog. You guys want your ass whipped in UFC 5? Go hit me up. Lowercase j dash capital DIIZZY. I want to get that ass whipped. Like I said, ain't no game in there either. Got the walls ripped up. Got that electrical coming out the walls. Got them ceiling fixtures up in there. What's up? Alright, peace out, gang. Catch y'all later. Alright, check this out. I thought you guys might want to see this. There's the box right there. Super sequential blowout valve. Dual valve design sequential system. The HKS super sequential blowout valve is a dual stage pool type relief valve which will not leak under any level of boost, which means you guys can hit that with no tune. This ensures a quick valve response and a complete closure during idle. Pool type blowout valves will work for any turbocharged vehicle from stock to highly tuned. Push type blowout valves require spring load settings for each vehicle specification. If the spring load setting is too soft, it may leak under high boost and may not reach the desired boost setting. If the spring load setting is too strong, it may not open at low boost. Q50 will operate under any boost pressure setting without leaking. Alright, so you guys know what's up with that. Let me know if y'all have any questions. We're gonna install these, so make sure you guys hit up all these next upcoming videos. Let's run these views up. Alright? Ain't gotta tell nobody. Just go hit the fucking, go click on everything you click on that screen. Alright? Let's go. I got you guys, bro. I'm telling y'all, right here. I'm standing right here, bro. I got y'all. What you need? What else? What's next? Come on, let's go.